In front of me is Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by launching Settings. Following that, scroll down to access Fingerprints, Face Data and Screen Lock. When you're ready, click Screen Lock over here and tap on the best login method for you: pattern, PIN or password. Then wait 5 seconds and choose Got It in the pop-up. Now you get to create your login method and repeat it to confirm it. When you finished, click Confirm at the bottom right corner and decide if you wish to add a fingerprint by selecting Cancel or Add in the pop-up. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!